Hi friends, it's Katie. I've got my phone here because I'm going to share with you an email that my friend Anita sent me. Now the email features a really lovely Native American parable, and I wanted to share it with you because I think it's really relevant to all of our lives. It's the story of two wolves. So forgive me whilst I read this because I can't memorize it, but I think by the end of this short parable, it will really resonate with you. I know it did with me, and it's just something to think about. An old Cherokee is teaching his grandson about life. He says, "A fight is going on inside me," he said to the boy. "It's a terrible fight, and it's between two wolves. One is evil. He is anger, envy, sorrow, regret, greed, arrogance, self-pity, guilt, resentment, inferiority, false pride, superiority, and ego." He continued, "The other wolf is good. He is joy, peace, love, hope, serenity, humility, kindness, empathy, generosity, truth, compassion. The same fight is going on inside you and inside every other person too." The grandson thought about it for a minute and then asked his grandfather, "Which wolf will win?" The old Cherokee simply replied, "The one you feed." I just thought that was a really lovely parable, and it's so true, isn't it? Where we put our attention and our thoughts is a direct result on how we feel and how our day goes. I hope you enjoyed that and got something from that too, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.